right? Submarine telegraphy, high tech of the late 19th century. So here you can see first transatlantic cable was laid down in 1858, right? And it broke after 3 months, and then it was repaired, and then London to Bombay in 4 minutes 22 seconds. You can see the time, because nowadays we have a very limited amount of time. 1901, London to British 22 minutes, right? And then 1924, telegraph around the world in 80 seconds. So you can see the year and the improvement we are having with the passage of time, right? So you can see telegraph around the world in 80 seconds. So when we think about radio telegraphy, so as mentioned before, that we have